This is the story of Cinderella. Sit back and enjoy. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful young girl called Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and her two ugly sisters. They made her do all the work in the house. They did nothing. Her clothes were old and torn. She was really sad. One day, a special invitation arrived from the palace. Everyone in the house was invited to the royal ball. The prince wanted to find the girl he would marry. The two sisters were very excited and put on their best dresses. Cinderella went out to the garden and cried. She felt very sad. Suddenly, there was a flash of light, and her fairy godmother appeared. She asked Cinderella to bring her a pumpkin, 4 mice, and a cat. The fairy godmother turned the pumpkin into a coach, the mice into beautiful white horses, and the cat into a smartly dressed coachman. Then Cinderella said, "I don't have a dress to wear. I can't go to the ball." The fairy godmother waved her wand and Cinderella was wearing a beautiful dress. At the palace, Cinderella met the prince. They fell in love. They danced and danced. The ugly sisters were jealous, and that made their faces look even uglier. Her godmother warned her to be home early because the magic would begin at midnight. The clock began to strike. Cinderella quickly ran to the waiting coach. She was in such a hurry that she lost her silver slipper. The prince sent his servant to find the girl whose foot would fit into the silver slipper. The ugly sisters tried to squeeze into it, but their feet were too big. At last, Cinderella tried it on. It fitted perfectly. The prince had found his princess. They got married and they lived happily ever after.